Understanding, run a test. A simple guide. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive into the phrase, run a test. This is a common expression used in various contexts, and understanding it can greatly help in both formal and informal settings. Let's get started and unravel the nuances of this handy phrase. When we say, run a test, we're talking about conducting an examination or experiment to gather information, check the quality, or measure the performance of something. This could be as simple as a teacher checking your knowledge with a quiz or as complex as scientists conducting experiments in a lab. You might hear, run a test, in various scenarios. In education, where a teacher might run a spelling test. At the doctor's office, where medical tests are run to check a patient's health. In business and technology, where tests are run to ensure software or product works properly. Now, let's see how to use it. You might say, the engineers will run a test on the new software today. I need to run a test to see if the solution works. Before launching the campaign, we decided to run a test on a small audience first. A common mistake is confusing run a test with take a test. To clarify, run a test means you are the one conducting it. Take a test means you are the one being tested. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, run a test. I hope this video has shed light on how versatile and useful this expression can be. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using it like a pro. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.